we are not going to sit back and have the looters, the goons, the people of bad faith destroy the kajiado we have so strongly worked for to make it what it is today. Going forward, the county leadership, together with the county security team, will now come forward to refuse imported violence. The president have shown good faith by creating an opportunity for dialogue, and even went an extra mile or out of his way to disband his cabinet and call the oppositions, the Gen Zs and Kenyans of goodwill to have a conversation around the situation in their country. I want to request that we take advantage of that opportunity to have a conversation so that we can address the question of corruption, the question of lack of equity, injustice, and fair distribution of the national cake,